Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We have announced the winner of the Y61 projector on Facebook. Let's go and check if you won the prize. Don't feel disappointed that you won't pick it. We've set a super discount of 50% off of the Y61 portable projector for you from February 1st to February 7th on Yaber official website. You could get it only for $69.99 with code WishMeLuck-Y61 or uppercase.
I just met you, and it's just crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe.
I wanna take you everywhere I've been to. Tell all my people, tell on how I got you. Love all they want to, baby, but my heart is yours.
Wanna win this cute Me2 portable projector for your lover? You just need to follow these steps. First, like this video. 2. Leave a comment below. We're gonna pick one lovely fan to win this V2 projector, and it will be announced on our Facebook page on February 12th. Next video is the giveaway of V3 Bluetooth projector. Subscribe to us for don't miss any chance to get a free projector. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.